Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am doing a copper metallic look. Clearly I am feeling the fall weather that's not come yet, but it will soon. Anybody else with me? Totally been looking up what to be for Halloween already. Am I the only one there? Anyways, I don't know if y'all could tell, but my hair is shorter. I'm sad, but that's okay. My extensions were so bad I couldn't even wear my hair down. So my stylist cut them for me and now they look so much better. But I'm getting new hair in October, so yay! She's amazing, by the way. Her name's Nicole. I'll put her information in the box down below so that y'all can check her out. She specializes in extensions, and I would say she's blonding specialist, but obviously she still does brunettes. Killer. So if you want to check her out, she is amazing. If you want to see how I got this look, or if you are just interested in watching two cats lounge in the sun, please keep watching. I'm starting off today's look with the Anastasia Prism palette, starting off with the color Unity, and I'm placing that on my brow bone. And you want to make sure you get all the creases off of your eyelid. And now I'm going in with the color Eden. I'm doing this right above my crease. Now I'm taking the color Saturn and I'm focusing that on the outer corner and I'm just patting that in. Now I'm taking it up just a little bit into the crease, but still staying on the outer corner. And I'm just going to keep adding more pigment until I'm happy with how it looks. I'm now picking up the color Parallel with a slight denser brush so I can pack on a little bit more color, and I'm concentrating this on the outer V as well. Now I am taking a little bit of my concealer, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I'm just putting a little bit of that on my hand. I'm taking a little concealer brush and I'm just going to put some of that on my lid. Now I'm not really trying to create a crease cut or anything specific like that. I'm really just trying to make it a little lighter in that area so that I can take Eternal and I want it to pop. So I'm taking Eternal now with my finger and just placing that on the lid, right on top of the concealer. I'm just blending a little bit. Now I'm going to take an even denser brush and spray it with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray and dip that in Eternal. I'm just trying to get this as much pigment as possible. Now I'm going to go back in with my blending brush, take just a little bit more of that color Saturn. I'm just blending it and making it a little bit brighter. And I'm concentrating on my crease. For eyeliner today, I'm using the TARTEIST eyeliner. I'm using the felt tip side. For the shadow under my eyes, I'm going to use a pencil brush and the Eternal shadow. I'm getting that as close to the lash line as I can. And then right underneath that color, I'm going to apply Saturn. For my inner lower lash line, I'm going to use this red color. It's actually a lip liner, but I'm going to be using it as an eyeliner. And then to keep with the metallic bronzy theme, I'm going to go over that with the SEPHORA and House of Lashes collection in the bronzy shade. To highlight under my brow bone and on my tear duct, I'm going to use the Nude Rose palette by BH Cosmetics. For lashes today, I'm going to use the Lashes in a Box This is the number 13. These lashes are really great. They're like $20, $25, and you get 10 sets of lashes, and obviously you can reuse them. But yeah, these are awesome. Of course, you always want to curl your lashes first. Now I'm going to top that off with my favorite SMASHBOX X-Rated. P.S. I've been looking all over for this. I need a new bottle and it's literally sold out everywhere. So don't know what's going on with that. I'm praying that doesn't mean it's about to be discontinued because I'll die. But yeah, so if you know where to get some, let me know. For my lower lashes, I'm going to use Buxom mascara. This stuff is super great for your lower lashes. I like to use it after I use the Smashbox stuff. I like to use it on my top lashes after that, and then I'll use it on my bottom lashes. For lip liner today, I'm going to use MAC Honey Love. I'm sorry, y'all, this is not Honey Love, this is Subculture. My bad. Now I'm going in with Penelope Pink by Charlotte Tilbury. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of this highlight shade from the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm gonna put that on my lips to create that chrome look. Now I'm gonna go in with that darker shade right next to it. Now I'm going to highlight my cheeks using the Carli Bybel palette. I'm going to use this highlight right here. For blush today, I'm using the Nude Rose palette. They have a very light pink blush. I'm gonna take the peachy highlight in that same palette, and I'm gonna highlight my shoulders a little bit. And to finish off this look, I'm going to spray my Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. Alright guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I am still offering my $20 off a makeup service if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.